In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines using Canva. To begin, open Canva and head into the design you want to work on. Once your canvas is in front of you, look over to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, and, of course, lines. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type the word Align and press Enter. You'll see a variety of choices appear, from simple straight lines to arrows and styled lines. Click on the line style that fits your project, and Canva will drop it onto your design. With the line selected, a toolbar appears across the top of the editor. Use this to customize the look of your line. You can change the color to match your brand or theme, adjust the thickness to make it subtle or bold, and switch the style to dashed or dotted for a different feel. If your chosen line supports it, you can also change the endpoints, like adding arrowheads to point toward important elements. When positioning and rotating the line, here's a helpful tip for precision: hold the Shift key while you drag or rotate. This constrains the line to 45-degree increments, which makes it effortless to keep it perfectly horizontal, vertical, or on a clean diagonal. It's an easy way to keep your layout tidy and consistent without lots of fiddling. If you prefer the hand-drawn look or want more free-form control, you can also draw your own lines. To do that, look for the Draw option. You'll find it under Tools, or you can open the Apps section on the left sidebar and search for Draw. Once the Draw tool loads, choose a brush type that suits your style: pen for crisp strokes, marker for a slightly thicker line, or highlighter for softer emphasis. Then click and drag directly on your design to draw. This approach is great for underlines, accents, annotations, or a more organic feel that matches sketches and notes. As you work, remember that you can always undo and try again until it looks right. Keep your lines consistent with your design's color palette, and use contrast so your lines guide the viewer's eye without overwhelming the page. Between the precise lines from Elements and the expressive strokes from Draw, you have everything you need to create clean dividers, arrows, and hand-drawn accents. That's it. Thanks for watching.